What's up, guys? How are you all? Welcome back to my new video. So, from today onwards, we are making editing videos, also other informational videos with reaction videos. So, in this video, we are going to learn about how to make these type of videos. So, all you should have to do now is open Proton VPN. If you don't have Proton VPN, you should have to download it from Play Store. So go to Proton VPN and click on connect. So it shows. So now you should have to go to CapCut. So now what you should have to do is, I already taken a project like this. You should have to take somehow. So these are my three clips now. So this is somehow slowed. So I'm making it somehow speed like 2x. It is off now 2x. Wait, I'm going to, yeah, now it is 2x speed. And so we are making this edit with the music of Montagem Alquima. So we should, shall I select the music now? No, yeah, Montagem. So here it is. So we taken this segment for making this edit. So now in this segment we should click on this. See, as it is, you can see the line in between the segments. You have to do is click in the segment. So wait, my Wi-Fi is gone. No, we have to correct this. So we should select the shake and flash. So now click apply to all here. So now in this we have to change this. We have to, what we have to do is, this is our clip, right? So now here add a keyframe, and in the middle add zoom in keyframe, so it will be automatically added. So now in this end of the clip, add keyframe like this. Did you see like this? So now here select this graphs. So in this we have to select is cubic in, and now in this segment we are going to select the graph like is out. So this is first clips. So in this we have to add keyframe like this, and in the middle we have to zoom in like this, and in the end we have to zoom out like this. Also apply same like before the clip. Now add in cubin, and in this also add ease out. So make all clips like this only. So now we will see. So now we have to do this, like we have to make a duplicate like this. So as you can see, there is duplicate. Create a duplicate and place and hold this and place at the other side, and now make duplicate of this also. So now make it appear like this here. So you can select other clips also, but I'm making instead of other clips only this clip only. So after this you have to do next duplicate clip. So as you can see, there are 6 clips here. So I'm increasing this music like this. So what you have to do is now click on this. Now click shake and flash. So you get you should have to do is pull down and click apply to all. So it is applied to all clips. Now now we should make this clip in like this 3.6. So it is now 3.6. So this will should also. So we have to make all clips like 0.7 seconds. So it should be also like 0.7 seconds. So we should put a clip like this. So now this should be also in 0.6 or 7. So now we will see. So in go to effects, in this effects, so select jitter beat. So click on right button. So we have to make this appear in this segment. So now make duplicate and add this at this segment also. Now duplicate of this and again add this in segment. So now let's see. And again, if you want another like effects, you can go to effects and add. Here you can add mm, so flash merge. You can add the flash merge here. So now export the video. So the video is now exported. Let's see. That was the tutorial, guys. So subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Comment for the next video that you want to learn. So bye.